Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking a close look at a ceiling projector mount that claims to be universal. Simple to install and ideal for both home theaters and office setups. This is the HISUNSING Universal Projector Ceiling Mount with Tray. A height-adjustable steel mount designed for projectors that don't have traditional mounting holes. If you've ever struggled with projector placement, cable clutter, or wobbly mounts, this might be a solution worth considering. Let's dive into what it offers, how it works, and whether it fits your setup. First, let's talk about compatibility, because that's the biggest selling point of this mount. Unlike many projector mounts that require threaded mounting holes, this one uses a robust 13.8 by 8.7 inch steel tray. That means it supports a wide range of devices including standard projectors, mini projectors, cameras, laptops, streaming boxes, Wi-Fi routers, and even AV equipment. As long as your device weighs under 11 pounds, it's designed to sit securely on top. This design makes the mount especially useful for projectors that don't offer ceiling mounting hardware or for setups that change frequently. Next, the height adjustment system adds a lot of flexibility. The mount extends from 13.7 inches to 22.8 inches, giving you room to position your projector exactly where your screen alignment demands. Whether you have a high ceiling or just need that extra fine-tuning to eliminate keystone distortion. The telescopic arm is built to make those adjustments smooth and precise. Once locked in place, it stays firm thanks to its alloy steel construction. Now let's talk installation, because that can make or break a mount. HISUNSING designed this model to be beginner-friendly. Everything you need comes in the box: hardware, instructions, and the tray system itself. The mount can be embedded into the ceiling and tightened down without requiring advanced tools or prior experience. The tray makes setup even simpler since you don't have to align mounts with screw holes. Just place your device, secure it, and you're good to go. A standout feature is the hidden cable routing system. If you've ever had HDMI and power cables dangling from the ceiling, you know how distracting that can be in a polished home theater. This mount routes cables internally through the pole, creating a clean and minimal look. It's not just about aesthetics. Concealing cables also reduces the risk of snagging and makes your setup much safer and easier to maintain. Let's break down the build quality. The entire structure is made from high-grade alloy steel, giving it a solid feel and stable platform. Even though it's relatively lightweight at just over 3 pounds, it's engineered to support devices up to 11 pounds without flexing. Once installed, the tray sits firmly with minimal vibration, which is important for maintaining sharp image focus during long viewing sessions. The mount also allows rotation, giving you a bit of horizontal adjustment when you need to fine-tune the projector's aim. This isn't a full range of motion like some multi-arm mounts offer, but for a tray-style holder, it provides enough movement for typical home use. Now, who is this mount really for? If you own a projector that doesn't have screw-in ceiling mounts, this tray design is one of the simplest solutions. If you're building a small home theater, a bedroom setup, or an office presentation system, it gives you clean installation, adjustable height, and secure support. It's also helpful for creators or studios that mount equipment like cameras or small media devices overhead. However, if your projector weighs more than 11 pounds, or if you need extreme adjustability for professional installations, you might want to look into heavy-duty mounts with articulated arms. This product is optimized for convenience and compatibility, not for carrying the largest cinema-grade projectors. Overall, the HISUNSING Universal Projector Ceiling Mount focuses on practical features. Broad compatibility, simple installation, clean cable management, and stable construction. It's a good fit for anyone who wants an easy, tidy, and reliable way to mount a projector without dealing with proprietary mounting patterns. If you're setting up a new home theater or refreshing an existing space, this mount could streamline the process and give your setup a much more professional look. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other breakdowns to help you make smarter buying decisions.